Welcome to your Midday Sports. We begin with athletics. National 400-meter hurdles record holder and World Under-20 record holder Roshawn Clarke has been listed by World Athletics as one of 3 finalists for the 2023 Men's Rising Star Award. This award is for the best performing under-20 athlete for the year. Clarke, who placed 4th in the World Championship final in Budapest, Hungary, behind winner Karsten Warholm, logged 47.34 seconds in the semi-finals of the event to set a new under-20 world record. The 19-year-old's time also eclipsed the 47.60 seconds done by Winthrop Graham in 1993, which stood as the national record. Clarke, who is also the Carifta champion, will have to fend off competition from American Arian Knighton, who copped silver in the men's 200 meters final at the World Championships in Budapest. Emmanuel Wanyoni from Kenya is the other finalist after his World Championship silver medal in the 800 meters, as well as being the Diamond League champion. The winner of the 2023 Men's Rising Star Award will be selected by an international panel of experts and announced on World Athletics platforms on December 11. Rain has taken the Jamaica Scorpions batters out of their misery at 197 for 9 against the home team Trinidad and Tobago Red Force at Queen's Park Oval in their 6th round encounter in the Cricket West Indies Regional Super 50 competition. Sent into bat, the Scorpions were tottering at 197 for 9 after 46 overs. Nkrumah Bonner has so far top scored with 74, including 7 fours, while Captain Rovman Powell made 48, consisting of 2 fours and a 6. Chadwick Walton contributed 23 against 3 wickets apiece for Akil Hussain and Sunil Narain. The Scorpions have lost their opening 5 matches, with their painful record having them 8th on the table with 5 points, while the Red Force are out front on 37 points. A defeat today will bring a crippling end to the Scorpions' title defense. And the host nation India demolished Sri Lanka by a massive 302 runs today at the Wankhede Stadium to become the first semi-finalist for the ICC 50-over World Cup and preserved their unbeaten campaign. Sent into bat, the Indians rattled up 357 for 8 on the back of 3 big half-centuries. Shubman Gill top scored with 92 and shared in a 189-run second wicket stand with Virat Kohli, who made 88. Shreyas Iyer also made an impressive 82 and Ravindra Jadeja 35. Dilshan Madhushanka bagged 5 for 80 for the Sri Lankans. In their pursuit, Sri Lanka had no answer for the pace trio of India, which decimated the batting order as the 1996 champions crumbled to 55 all out in 19.4 overs. Man of the match, Mohammad Shami, was the chief destroyer with 5 for 18 and received support from Mohammad Siraj 3 for 16. Jasprit Bumrah and Jadeja claimed the other wickets. The win took India to 14 points from 7 matches and assured of a top 4 finish, while Sri Lanka are 7th on 4 points. Cavalier will know later today who their opponents will be in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup final, when Taki High, who are looking for their first victory in the Group 2 of the Issa da Costa Cup round of 16, will entertain Happy Grove at the grounds of College of Agriculture, Science and Education. Today's lone match, that is. The match is slated to kick off at 3 p.m. The game was originally set for Wednesday but was rescheduled due to bad weather. Happy Grove were beaten 3-2 by group leaders BB Coke in their opening match on Saturday at Carter Park, while Taki went down to Manchester High 4-1 in their clash. A win takes either team level on points with Manchester High. Due to the proximity of the field to the classrooms at Case, no spectators will be allowed. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.